Today, we're making a fresh peach salsa. It's great for snacking and you'll love it as a topping on grilled chicken, fish, and pork. Peel the peaches. You'll probably need about 3 for this salsa recipe. And slice them in half, remove the pit. Then chop them into chunks. You want about a 1/2-inch dice. To make the salsa, start with lime zest, grated ginger, honey, a little lime juice, and kosher salt. Give it a whisk. And then just add your peaches, sweet bell pepper, Vidalia onions, radishes, scallions, jalapeno, and cilantro. Toss it and you're done. This is a great healthy side dish for summer. You're gonna love it.